Hello everyone. In this video I will be showing you how I make water leaf soup. I am Rosie and you are welcome to my kitchen. Here are the water leaves that I'm going to be using for this recipe. Water leaves are a little bit similar to spinach. It's only water leaves are a little bit slimy. You can use spinach as alternative for this recipe. I got these water leaves here from a fellow YouTuber and her channel name is God's Time, God's Love. I will be leaving her information down in the description box so you guys can check her out. So here I have some dry shrimps, locust beans, salt, bouillon, avocado oil, and red palm oil. I have smoked turkey. You can use any meat of your choice. Stockfish, dried fish. I will start by soaking the stockfish, and to that I'll be adding salt and hot water. I'm going to leave it for some hours to soak. You can leave it overnight and you can also boil it with your meat if you like it very soft. I don't like mine to be too soft, so I just soak it for some hours and that's fine. And right here I have some beef stripes and some cow skin. I will season with salt, bouillon, diced onions. I will add some water. I will cover and then send it to the stove top to cook until the meat is soft. And this is 40 minutes later. I'm going to check to see how the meat is. And this part of meat, they take long to cook. But at this time, they are ready. Yours might take longer than 40 minutes. And right here, I have some bell peppers, onions, scotch bonnets. Always add pepper to your taste. And I have them clean already. I took out the seed from the bell peppers and they are ready for blending. I'm going to be roughly blending the peppers. And that is done. In a pan, I will add in some palm oil. And I will add some avocado oil as well. You can use either one. I just want to mix them up. Then add the diced onions once the oil is hot. And then we're going to fry the onions until the onions are translucent. And once the onions are ready, add the blended peppers and stir. Cover and leave that to cook for about 20 minutes. And here are the water leaves. So I'm going to be picking out the water leaves, and this is how you pick your water leaves, like so. If you don't have water leaves, you can use any vegetable of your choice and follow this same recipe. And I have everything nicely picked out, and I'm going to be washing the water leaves with salt. You can also use vinegar, and I'll be doing that off camera. So once that is done, I will slice the water leaves. You can slice it anyhow you like, and if you don't want it sliced, you can also use the water leaves without slicing as well. And it's best to wash your vegetables before slicing so you don't lose some of the nutrients in process of washing them. And once that is done, I will take that batch out and I will repeat the process until I am done. Here I have all the vegetables in the bowl, and I'm going to be adding salt, and then we'll add in some hot water to blanch the vegetables. I will give that a stir, and then I'm only leaving it in the hot water for about 30 seconds. And I'm going to take out the hot water and I will pour cold water on it to stop the cooking process right away. And that is done. Blanching your vegetables helps to retain the green color of the vegetables. And here the sauce is been cooking now for about 15 minutes. So I'm just going to give that a quick stir. Add the smoked turkey. Add the stockfish, which is washed already. Add the dried fish. Add the cow foot and the cow stripes, which are nicely cooked. Add locust beans and the blended crayfish. Add in your seasoned cube at this point and salt as well. And then give that a quick stir. So at this point, I just realized that my pot was a little bit small, but I was too lazy to change the pot. So I'm going to stir it till everything is nicely combined. And I will cover and then leave that for about 10 minutes. So this is 10 minutes later. I will give it a quick stir. And add the water leaves at this point. Like I said, you can use any vegetable of your choice and follow the same recipe if you don't have water leaves. And then I'm going to go ahead to stir and stir it till everything is nicely combined. So locust beans is very rich in protein. If you don't have locust beans, you can leave that as well. Feel free to adjust any of the ingredients used in this video. I will stir, and once the vegetables are in there, they have been blanched already. We don't want to overcook the vegetable. I'm just going to give it a very nice stir, and then I will turn off the stove. You can have this soup here with rice, with any swallow of your choice, and it tasted so delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.